today I have this amazing set of 2 chairs. It's a perfect purchase for your backyard. You can easily take it with you on traveling to the beach, to some camping. It's not so heavy. It's very simple installation, like 1 minute of your time. It comes with table. You can easily take it off if you don't need it. But this table, you can put some drinks, some laptops, some phone. It has a different variation of seats from 80 to 180 degrees. You can lie, relax, sleeping, do you what you want. Also, the material is very uh, comfortable for seats. It comes with a pillow for your head. You can easily move it to different position. I think it will be a good gift for your friends and families. I'm highly recommend this. You will like it.